The next must-have for your trade journal is called Trade Retrospective. Being retrospective means to take a look back at events that already have taken place. In this case, we're talking about looking back at trades that have closed, whether you won or lost them, and analyzing them to see what you did right or wrong. Here are some questions you can ask yourself and record in your journal about these closed trades. The first question is, how well did your trade work out? So did your position size match the risk and reward scenarios, or was it too small or too large? Was there a better moment to enter into your trade? Were there any other tools that you could have used to improve the timing of your entry? Did you stay patient throughout the trade, or did you rush it? Was your take profit realistic, or was it set way too far away? How did things play out with your choice of take profit and stop loss levels? Did it stop just short of the take profit level, or did it blow right through it? Did it get stopped out by the stop loss level? If so, did it barely get stopped out or blow right through that? Was there any news that caused the market to move differently? You can use your answers to these questions to adjust your future position size, entry level, and order placement. The second question is, how well did you manage the trade after it was opened? Did you monitor the trade while it was active? Why or why not? How did you monitor it? This will show you how much time and dedication you were able to devote to your trading. Did you change your trade plan throughout the trade? Did you adjust your stop loss at all to conserve profits? Did you close the trade to take the profit before it hit your take profit line? Did you close your trade when it was the correct time according to your trading plan? Or did something happen in the market that caused you to close at a different time? The answers to these questions will help you determine what role your emotions played in your trading and whether or not you stayed a disciplined trader. You can write down any thoughts, emotions, or feelings you had throughout the trade. The next question is, what can you improve and what steps will you take in order to improve? This question is for you to self-improve. You need to be very specific in answering this question. Don't just write down something like, I should have kept my trade open longer. You need to write down the specific steps to improve. Answer questions like, how much longer will you hold onto your trades for? Or will you work on choosing better profit targets? Or will you learn how to not freak out at the first sign of your unrealized profits falling? Just be as specific as you can and be honest with yourself or you won't improve. The last question is, did you follow your trading plan to a T when executing your trade? This question is so important. If you ever veer away from your trading plan during a trade, you either have a problem with self-discipline or you have a problem with your trading plan. You need to stick to your trading plan or you will just find yourself running in circles, feeling like you have no plan when you trade. It will feel like you are gambling and trading based on your feelings. Trust me, I've been there, done that. And I promise you that you don't want that. So now let's move on to the next section and we're going to talk about logging the statistics of your trading performance.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.